Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Smart Band Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smart band with your phone. First you will need to turn on your smart band, and to do it simply plug in your smart band into a charger. Once you plug it in into a charger, your smart band should turn on after a couple of seconds. After you turn on the smart band, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, as you can see. Now let's find the language you like to use. For me it's gonna be English, but you can select any language you like, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And as you can see, now we need to download and install the Xiaomi Wear application on our phone. You can do it by two ways, basically. You can scan the QR code from your smart band to get the download link, or you can open the App Store on your phone, tap on the search bar, type in Xiaomi Wear, and then tap search. Now you should see this application right here with the yellow icon, Xiaomi Wear. Tap on it, then tap on install button. Wait until the app is done installing, of course. And once the app is done installing, you can tap on open button to open it. In the app, let's tap on agree to agree to the terms of use. Now let's tap on sign in, and we need to log in into Xiaomi account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on create account right here to make one. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on here, enter my email address, then tap right here and enter the password. So give me a couple of seconds. Once you type in the password and email, you can also check this box and then tap on sign in. After you log in, you should see the status page of the app. Now tap on the profile icon, tap on add device. Now find the Redmi Smart Band Pro on the list right here. Tap on it, then tap on allow, and we need to allow the permission for the location. And you can allow it while using the app, allow it only this time, or you can deny it. If you deny it, I believe you won't be able to pair the devices, so I'm gonna tap on while using the app, but you can also select only this time if you want. Now let's tap on agree. Confirm the pairing by tapping on the check mark on the band, then tap on OK on your phone. Now let's tap on done. It should redirect you to the profile page. Oh no, first you will have the tutorial how to use the band, and you can go through it by tapping on next, then done. And now you should see the profile page for your Redmi Smart Band Pro, and that means that the band is paired with your phone. You can also use your band now, as you can see. And that's how you pair this smart band with your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.